Python memory leaks. I have a long-running script which, if let to run long enough, will consume all the memory on my system. Without going into details about the script, I have 2 questions. Are there any best practices to follow, which will help prevent leaks from occurring? What techniques are there to debug memory leaks in Python?
Have a look at this article tracing Python memory leaks. Also, note that the garbage collection module actually can have debug flag set. Look at the set_debug function. Additionally, look at this code by Gnibala for determining the types of objects that have been created after a call.
I tried out most options mentioned previously but found this small and intuitive package to be the best, Pimpler. It's quite straightforward to trace objects that were not garbage collected. Check this small example. Install package via pip install Pimpler. The output shows you all the objects that have been added, plus the memory they consumed. Sample output. This package provides a number of more features. Check Pimpler's documentation, in particular the section identifying memory leaks.
Let me recommend mem_top tool I created. It helped me to solve a similar issue. It just instantly shows top suspects for memory leaks in a Python program.
TraceMalloc module was integrated as a built-in module starting from Python 3.4, and apparently, it's also available for prior versions of Python as a third-party library. Haven't tested it though. This module was able to output the precise files and lines that allocated the most memory. This information is infinitely more valuable than the number of allocated instances for each type, which ends up being a lot of tuples 99% of the time, which is a clue, but barely helps in most cases. I recommend you use TraceMalloc in combination with Parasite. 9 times out of 10, running the top 10 snippet in a Parasite shell will give you enough information and hints to fix the leak within 10 minutes. Yet, if you're still unable to find the leak cause, Parasite shell in combination with the other tools mentioned in this thread will probably give you some more hints too. You should also take a look on all the extra helpers provided by Parasite, such as the memory viewer.
You should specially have a look on your global or static data, long-living data. When this data grows without restriction, you can also get troubles in Python. The garbage collector can only collect data that is not referenced anymore. But your static data can hook up data elements that should be freed. Another problem can be memory cycles, but at least in theory the garbage collector should find and eliminate cycles, at least as long as they are not hooked on some long-living data. What kinds of long-living data are specially troublesome? Have a good look on any lists and dictionaries, they can grow without any limit. In dictionaries you might even don't see the trouble coming, since when you access dicts, the number of keys in the dictionary might not be of big visibility to you.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.